Oh, really? Did you say something? Are you ready to work? Safi ready to do cool stuff? I think she is. I think Safi is ready to do cool stuff. Alright. Do some spots. Arlie, over here, please. Here. Yes. 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 Good girl. Nice spot. We're luring. Then we're going to follow the hand. Yes. And open up and mark and open up that hand to the sky as soon as, yes, that foot is on there. And then if she keeps that foot on there like she is now, yes, we'll just keep marking. Yes, good girl. The bowl's sliding a little bit. So what I'm going to do is, Safi, off. Safi, off. Come on. Yes. Hey, you want to make sure the bowl's not sliding. Do cool stuff, Safi. Safi's gonna do cool stuff. So we're gonna work on rear end awareness. Yes, good girl. And the first step is this spot. Yes. Targeting the spot. Yes. You gotta get that other foot on there, ma'am. Yes. Girl. Yes. Oh, good girl. Yes. 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 There it is. Yes. Good spot. Excellent. Good spot. Good girl. There she is. Yes. 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 Oh, wow. She's good at it. Nice spot, Safi. Yes. Oh, she thinks she's so cool. Yes. Oh, brother wants to play. Spot. Yes. 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 Nice. Yes. Good job. Yes. Nice. Good spot. Yes. Nice, man. Good girl, Safi. Yes. Yes. She is very serious. Oh, she's so serious. Yes. She worked hard. She says, I will do anything for that foodies. Yes. Oh, wow. Okay. Nice. Look at that little brain tick. Oh, she was busy. She said, I'm too busy for pets right now. I am too busy for pets. Yes. She says, I'm working hard. I'm a hard working Safi. Yes. I'm a hard working service dog. Spot. Yes. So even though we got 2 paws, we're still going to reward just for 1. We always want to make it easy and build it up. Yes. Oh. Oh, brother's being dramatic. Oh my goodness, he's being so dramatic. He wants to play too. You got a spot on here. You got a spot first before you get that food. Get in there, get in there. So we're just luring in the beginning, having her follow the hand in position. Yes! Position the hand appropriately so that she can, yes, get that paw on there. Nice. And then the two paws. Yes. Good girl. Yes. Good spot, Safi. That spot. Good girl. Almost. She got too excited. Oh, she's so excited. She got too excited. Yes. Yes. Nice. Yes. 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 She's getting a little, they're little puppy brains. Misfiring. She's trying. She's forgetting what we're doing here. We're going to end on a good note. She's trying. Yes. She's trying. We're not doing as quite as she was a minute ago. I think she, like I said, she's getting tired. Her little puppy brain is trying too hard. And not quite processing. Yeah. So we're going to do end on a good note. We're going to get one yes. One paw on there. Yes, there it is. Good girl. We're done. 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 That brain started misfiring. She said, I did so good, and then it wasn't processing.